आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. Question is, what are
enzymes?
now if I had to talk about enzymes, they are so important that without even one enzyme our body cannot fully function or might even perish. So they are so important, they carry out different function in our bodies. Okay. Now, as far as our body is concerned, like a catalyst in a reaction in chemistry, act as a surface on which product and reactant can interact. The same kind of opportunity is provided by enzyme. Just the difference is that enzymes are biological catalysts. Okay, biological catalysts. Okay, enzymes are biological catalysts. They are in our body. They perform certain functions in our body to carry out life process. Okay, now each biological systems require a different enzyme. Okay, in our body, let's say example of enzyme, I take, let's say, insulin. Okay, we all know that insulin is secreted by pancreas. Okay, now the thing is that insulin controls sugar in our body. Now if this insulin is not there, or it will become insensitive, what will happen? We will suffer from type 2 diabetes. Okay, now the thing is that for digesting sugar in our body, for controlling sugar in our body, we need pancreas. Same as we need a different enzyme also for digesting protein, we need pepsin. For controlling our gallbladder, we secrete some digestive juices from gallbladder to digest our food and things like that. Now these enzymes is one thing to notice, that these enzymes are required in very small quantity. Okay, and also act at a optimum temperature of 310 Kelvin. One more thing also, that they require a pH of around 7.4, which is on the slight basic, I would say. And also chemically they are globular proteins. Okay, this is important, that they are globular proteins. Now in our body there are two types of proteins. One is fibrous protein and other is globular proteins. The basic function of globular proteins is that they act as a messenger in our body, transporter. And one example of globular protein I can say is that hemoglobin. It carries oxygen in our body, transports oxygen in our body. Now enzymes we have all heard, but sometimes we have also heard a term, that is coenzymes. Now coenzymes are nothing but they are loosely held to protein. Okay, loosely held to protein. They are type of enzyme, but they are loosely held to proteins. Okay, now these are some of the terms about enzyme. First of all, they are biological catalyst. Secondly, if I had to talk about that, each biological system require a different enzyme. For converting sugar in our body, we need insulin. For maintaining sugar level in our body, we need insulin. And there are certain enzymes which activate insulin hormone in our body. And second thing is that we require them in small quantity. their temperature is this much and pH they required is this much. If we had to talk about enzymes are globular proteins, okay, they act as a messenger, okay, and coenzymes they are loosely held to proteins. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।